Hello everyone, my name is Danny from DKBrickStudios, and today I'm here to show you how to be building the Imperial Speeder from Solo, a Star Wars story. But before we get into that, please check out my links in the description down below. Let's say, I guess a couple things, so check out my links in the description down below, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And check out my friend's novel in the description down below. Rise, it is a good sci-fi novel for any of you sci-fi fans. And yeah, let's quick look at the views of this model. So, well, this is the Imperial Speeder from Solo Star Wars story, I should say that. Here's the front view, the back view, the left view, the right view, the bottom view, and the top view. So yeah, there we go. Now you will be seeing now. I would highly recommend checking out my mock spotlight and build talk video of these. There's a brief solo talk for this movie with this build, and yeah, you can totally take the brick that's this and just 2x4 and turn it into a 2x4 and turn it into a microfighter. But yeah, this is pretty much it. But let's get started with it, shall we? Let's. There we go. Alrighty, so that. Okay, we're going to be needing a 2x8 with 2 round plates, transparent. So we're going to need a 2x8, 2x6. That was a 2x6. Okay, we're going to need now a 2x. We're going to need 2. These, one will go here, and one will go here. Just so you guys know, all my parts will be listed off on the side here, so that way you can see as I build what will be what's build placed here if you don't catch it, or if you are confused at some point. And and then I'll be going through over the steps here, and you'll be able to see more in depth what parts go here and how everything goes. So yeah, we shall continue on. We're gonna be needing now 4 1x1 bricks, 1x2 bricks with studs on each side, and a 2x4. You can turn it for a 2x3 if you're making this into a microfighter. Now attach these on to here and here. Alrighty, so now we are on step. We're going to need another one of these, another 2x4, a 1x1, 1x2, and another 1x2, and a transparent red tile. And a trans red plate. Alrighty. Now we're going to need 4 1x2 plates. These are going to help make it so that way you can actually keep the speeder. These are just like little placer points, you know. Oh, okay, here's where you stop, you know, the speeder. Okay, now we're going to build the front of the speeder. Little grill in the front, 1x2. Followed it up by 2 dark bluish gray, not dark gray. 5 plates. And here we go. You are going to want them like that, yes. Yeah. Then we're going to need to add these hinge plates and a 2x3. Here and here, and as long as here as well. I meant to say, and this 2x3. There that goes. Now we're going to need to do is add these angle plates. This is not going to be angled until after we have built the whole thing. Found them. And like so, I just want to make sure that this is in line. I know how finicky this program can get. We're going to need slope pieces. 1x2. If you can't do that, then I really don't know what you could do for that. I'm sorry to say, but I've never experienced. I don't know. This is the first time I can just say I don't know. Unfortunately, you know. I'm gonna double check. Okay. These need to go the opposite way. Okay. Those are fine the way they are. Yep. Okay. We're going to need to play 1x8 and 2x4 and a 1x2. Play 1x8. Play 1x2 and a plate 2x4. I gotta do the same thing on the opposite side, which you should do as well. And there we go. That should look like that for right now. Okay, we're gonna rotate this first. Just rotate it as far as you can. Like so. Now we're going to need 2 2x2s, well 4, 3, and then a 1x1 plate and a 1x1 grill. One, 2, 3. Go right here. Now we're getting to 2x3. If you can't do that, just do a 2x2 and a 1x2 and a 1x2 grill. Excuse me, my goodness. Oh, now I gotta add a 1x1 as well. Okay then. 1x3 and a 1x1 circular plate. If you can't do the circular piece, you can do pretty much other parts. Like you could use a number of other pieces. You can use like a 1x1 plate. I mean, one tile. And then we need this. And to finish it all off, we just gotta add 2 more tile pieces of plates. And then we're done! I used the wrong one. We'll go here. We're gonna go here. And this will go here. So yeah, there we go. Hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. Yeah, that's basically it. Wait, no, you don't need to. I just accidentally did that. Yeah, this is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. Remember, may the force and the force of others be with you always. And see you all in the next tutorial.
Birds of a feather, well weathered together, chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot and let go.